My name is Pia from the Sogetsu school. My teacher is Yoshiko Williams. My arrangement is called Dornroeschen, the story of the sleeping beauty. This arrangement brings me back to my days in Germany. My son Emil will be narrating while I'm demonstrating. I hope you enjoy my arrangement.
Sleeping Beauty, or in German Dornroeschen, is the story of Pia's childhood. The pink of the Neues Palais reminds her of the roses of the fairy tale. Pia spent her high school time in the university campus of the Neues Palais and saw all the seasons. She loves the springtime around the castle. It is a time when the snow melts and the tulips grow and blossom. Pia used tulips grown in her own garden. We will start off by using a garden trellis to represent the castles of Germany. With the assistance of Sasha, we add another garden trellis that we have attached rose branches to. We then create line and movement using the rose branches. We will tie the knots with the fishing line and make a net. Then we will place the glass bowls in the net and hang them on the trellises. Then we add a third garden trellises that has jasmines attached to it. The jasmine was already growing on the trellis. We then trimmed the jasmine for the arrangement, keeping it natural. Here we are incorporating the jasmine with the rose branches. Now we submerge the knockout roses into the glass bowls. Now we add tulips with bulbs to represent the coming of spring. The Neues Palais Castle in Potsdam, Germany. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. We take some 20 gauge wire and secure the tulips to the trellises. The tulips will last 2 to 3 days with the bulb. Roses have tens of thousands of varieties. Most are found in Asia, while small numbers can be found in Europe and North America. Jasmines are native to the Caucasus Mountains, northern Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, the Himalayas, Tajikistan, India, Nepal, and western China. It is also cultivated all over the world. It is known as the summer jasmines or the poet's jasmine, and many more names. It is the national flower of Pakistan.